We're about to go pick up my shell. I'm here with Edgar right now. We're in the work truck.
Let's go. All right, guys, it's hot as hell. It's about like 97 degrees outside. It's hot. The shop doesn't have AC. It's hell. All right, well, we'll give you guys a little bit more details once we get over there. Did you already tell them?
I haven't told them what car it is, but I told them that we're picking up a shell.
We're going to go and pick up a shell. We'll tell you more when we get there.
All right, we're here where the car is at. We're gonna go check it out. Well, almost like, well, I am gonna buy it. I already have the money and everything. Yeah, we're gonna go check it out right now. All right, so I'm picking up a all gutted EG. You know, it's just a shell, getting it for a good price. Interior is all gutted. It's ready for the track. About to put a roll cage up in this. Pushing it out. The EK.
Damn, we're strong. See those wasps? With no engine? So this one, all it needs is the fuel line and it should be running. This is the Hawkeye one. The Sleeper DRX in the driveway right now. And then we got the hat. He messed this one up in Mexico a couple weeks at 1320.
Alright, so this one down here is a stock TGB, and this is a TGB delete.
This is the one he does. So what he does is he cuts down this piece of aluminum right here. As you guys can see it right there. And he cuts it out from there, and once he cuts it out from there, he could get better airflow in through the intake. Once he gets better airflow through the intake, it starts running rich. So it's better if you do that. So that's what he does to this shit, and it can get more power out of it, you know. It goes from what, 17 to 20 horsepower just on cutting this aluminum right there. But yeah, you can see this is the stock one, and this is the one he does. He polishes it all inside. He does the porting so it can be flush and nice. And yeah, you can see, look, see how much thicker it is too. There's like what, about half an inch, and with the shaving off, he does like almost a quarter.
Yeah, so he's getting ready to put this block back together.
What the fuck?
The sleeper Subi is down.
The sleeper Subi is missing the engine. Where's it at? If you guys go back to the vlog, you'll see it completely swapped in and nice and clean. And this is what happens when you go to Mexico.
All right, so what happened with the sleeper Subi? It started running lean and one of the blocks went bad.
So the EG20 block was starting to run lean. So every time he was accelerating and trying to create boost, it was just cutting down. It was just going like, almost like farting, you know? Like cutting out power. So yeah, that's why he took it out, and I think he's putting now he's gonna put an EAG block in there. Closed deck, ready to go. So sooner or later it's gonna be done. And we'll vlog more once he gets the block in and start putting it in.
Take you to do some more pulls now?
Yeah, another Mexico. See if this dude doesn't blow it again. Or make it start running lean.
You know, we got that tow truck guy.
That tow truck guy is...
That's the homie right there. The EK is sitting nice and pretty, ready to get an engine slapped up into that shit. It's gonna sit in storage for a couple of months. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but that's okay, because we got big plans coming for this. The whole interior is stripped ready for a roll cage. So the guy that I bought this car off of, he says that he has these S2000 seats for $200. I might buy them. I kind of want to do the S2000 cluster too. That would be so sick. I don't know, but Big plans for this car, big plans. That's all I gotta say. Alright, what's up guys? So just a little update. It's just me and Edgar here at the shop. We're cleaning it up, getting everything, all the trash that was on the floor.
Bro, they almost wanted to kill us. Those Mongolia guys aren't joking.
Man, fuck that. We do not want to mess with them. We'll go missing.
If we go missing for a week or a couple days, they have us.
Yeah, come get us. Send help. Alright, so you know, we had the mess over here from my engine. We picked that up, put everything inside of my hatch. Alright, so like I was saying, we were just cleaning the shop, getting everything organized, you know, picking up all the trash. Bought a new trash can. So yeah, got my engine over here. Yeah, look at this mess, man. That's another B18 right here.
And look at this, another fucking car underneath there.
Like Edgar was saying, the jack stand's up in that corner, the cherry picker over there. We'll just keep you guys updated. It's gonna be a chill night again. Nothing much going on.
Besides you getting the new EK.
Yeah, that's the only exciting part of today, that I got a new EK.
It's ready to go.
So right now it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. The gray car right there. I put all my parts inside of that. That's it for today, I guess. I don't know if we record later on tonight. We'll just keep you guys updated. If we don't, then peace out. See you guys in the next video.
Keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward.
TJ Hunt, shout out to TJ Hunt.
This #1 TJ Hunt fanboy right here.
Hell yeah. So inspire me to do this freaking channel, man.
Alright, we're out. Peace. Well, that pretty much sums up today's video. I'm really excited to start working on my car. Have it right here under this tarp so that no water gets in. It's been raining in Colorado pretty hard. You know, that one doesn't have a window. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the EK build. I will start ordering parts soon. I've been lacking on that, I'm not even gonna lie. So my plan for the EK build, I am gonna try to do all like performance parts, like all name brand and everything. I plan on going with an Eagle crank, Eagle pistons and rods. If you made it to the end of the video, shout out to you, you're a real one. I'm really excited for my build. It's gonna be a drag car. Hopefully it's gonna haul ass. If it doesn't haul ass, I don't even want the car. I'm just kidding. If you guys are wondering what I'm gonna do with the body, or like how the car is gonna end up looking, I'm not too sure about that yet, but I'm debating on either going like making it super clean and having a nice car, you know, like painting it and just detailing it, but at the same time I kind of want just a full-on drag race car, you know, take it to the track, you know, fucking beat on some Mustangs. I don't know, man. We'll see how it goes. First thing first, I do want to get it running. That's like my main priority right now. I want to get the car running. I want to put the engine back in. I want to fully build it, have it nice, you know. Eventually I will go a turbo kit, but in the meantime I think I'm just gonna do all motor. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do to the car, just let me know. Put it in the comments. You already know. And yeah, until next time.